Hi, I'm Charlie, a techie guy at KPFK, and I'm going to show you our new board. It's called a Lightning board by Audio Arts, and it's similar to our old board, but a little bit more complicated. So you'll see it has both on and off buttons instead of just on buttons. In the top here, you'll see you have to be using program 1 all the way across. If the power ever goes out, you got to put program 1 on everything. And the source up here is all A, except for a couple that use source B. So they're marked, and if they're not the right source, it's not going to work right. Now, this has a really cool feature that I'd like you to try and practice, and that is you can add your phone or your laptop or your iPod to the mix right here. And if the phones happen to go back out and you need to call someone, you can add your phone to the mix right here with the Bluetooth, connect with the Bluetooth, and you can talk to your guest if you need to do that. Now, on an Android phone, to connect to this, you just turn this on, go to your Android phone, go to Bluetooth, turn it off and on. The Bluetooth off and on will give you a choice of all the local connections. This is called Lightning 33 right here. It says Lightning 33. Once you join it once with an Android, it's really easy because it will remember it, and all you have to do is hit Bluetooth on and join with your Android really quickly. It's a little trickier on a Apple phone. You do the same thing. You put the light on right here on where it says Bluetooth Connect, and you turn your Bluetooth on and off, and it'll bring up all the possible connections, and you join it. And it works just like an Android at first, but then the second time you come back, that's where the problem is. It will want you to connect it. You're going to have to discard. When you try and connect it, it'll tell you have to discard that connection first, follow the instructions, discard it, get it off your list, and then turn your Bluetooth on and off and reconnect. So please practice with it, get to know it before you get in and have to use it. And remember, no liquids, no food or liquids anywhere near this thing. This is brand new, and we want to keep it in good shape. One spill, thing is gone. So no liquids. Thank you. For a more detailed view on how you connect to Bluetooth, you're going to notice there's Bluetooth Connect right here, and you're going to hit that, which will allow you to connect your device to the Bluetooth. And the device you're looking for is called Lightning 33, and once you connect to that device, then you have to change the input amount to that device. You go to the Bluetooth channel and put the Q on. Once you put the Q on, you'll be able to adjust the volume of your device until it comes up into the yellow but not into the red. Once you got the volume adjusted here, then you're done with the Q. You turn the Q off, and then when you're ready to put your device on the mix, you hit the on and put it up to the starting point right there, and you're done.